Hello everyone. In the previous videos we have discussed about constructors and destructors. So in this video we'll be seeing about inheritance. Okay. So for this we are taking a new class person and we are initializing a constructor, and to this constructor we are passing parameters, that is name and phone number, and using this self we are again assigning this name to name and phone number to phone number. Okay. And similarly I'm writing a method introduce. In this I'm just printing the name and phone number. So for this particular class I'm creating an object, uh, and like here I'm passing my name, and this is not my phone number, please don't dial to it. Okay. So and then on that we'll be calling this function x.introduce. Okay. So let's execute this. So here if you see, it is working fine and it is printing my name and the given phone number. Okay. So let's see like how to do inheritance in this case. So we are using the same class, and let's take this as parent class and inherit to some child class employee. Okay. So this is our child class and this is our parent class. So to denote that this person is parent class to this employee, we need to write like this. Okay. So we have to write this class name within the brackets that tells that this person class is uh, parent to this employee. Okay. And I don't want to write any variables or functions. That's why I'm using this pass. Now if let's create it. So here if we observe, I'm using employee object, and on that I'm calling this x.introduce. So if you carefully observe, in employee we are not having anything, but we were able to access this introduce function, and we can also assign this name and phone number to it. Okay. So basically whenever you inherit this particular parent, all these will be accessed using this child also. Okay. That's why we are able to print this directly. Okay. Now instead of doing pass, let's add some new things over here. So I'm writing a constructor, and some extra attribute I wanted to add, that is employee ID. Okay. So and there is some extra method that I am also adding, that is employee details in this. So here if we observe, we are creating an object of employee and I am passing three values. One is the name and the other one is phone number and then the employee ID. Okay. And what it is doing here, it is assigning this given employee ID to this employee ID that is present over here. So this is the instance variable of class employee. Okay. And this name and phone number are passed to the parent class. So this super is signifying that we are passing it to the parent constructor. Okay. So we are passing this name and this particular phone number to the parent constructor. There it will get assigned with name and phone number, and then we can call this introduce function as well as this employee details function as well. Okay. So this employee details is direct function of this employee, whereas this introduce is the function of this one, and all the functions and variables that are used in this person can be used by employee, as this is child. Okay. So let's execute this. So now if we execute, here it is printing like in introduce we are trying to print the name and phone number, so it is printing only these two, whereas when it comes to like employee details, it is printing name, phone number as well as employee ID. Okay. I hope you guys understood what I am trying to do over here, and let's go to the next one. So here I'm trying to explain the concept of method overriding. I have already explained that in Python there is no method overloading. So let's see like how to override a method. So in the child class, if we are using the like some function with same function name, that is nothing but we are trying to do method overriding. Okay. So if we see observe over here, here we are using introduce function, and here also we are using introduce function. And if you are trying to create object for this employee and then we call this introduce, this will be executed. Whereas you only created object for this person, then only this will be executed. So let's see. So let's execute this. So here if we observe, we are creating an object employee and assigning it to variable x, and we are creating an object person and assigning it to variable y. So when we are using like employee object, it is printing, this introduce is printing my name is Aparup, my phone number is this one, and my employee ID is this one, because I have changed it like that. And this employee details is printing like this: employee name is Aparup, and employee phone number is this, and employee ID is this. So according to these employee details, it is printing. Now let's see y dot introduce, that is this string. In this, my name is Aparup and my phone number is this one. Only these two are there, because this is an object of person, and in person introduce function is written like this. In this, only name and phone number are printed. That's why it is printing only these two. Okay. I hope you guys understood how the inheritance is used. And there are multiple types of inheritance, like single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, like that. So like if you understand this concept, then you can implement all those. I'll not be going in detail into all of those because these are not much used in case of machine learning and all. So just to introduce to these concepts, I am explaining it quickly. If you want me to explain more on these concepts, then you can comment down, and if you like my videos, then I'll get to know like you want more details in this, then I'll be definitely considering that and I'll be doing videos on that. Okay, so please comment down if you want any particular video on any specific topic. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you.